we are going to make a light or a circuit which increases and decreases its brightness according to the light around it. You will need a resistor, a NPN, a LED, an LDR, 4 male-to-male jumper cables, a battery, and of course a breadboard. First, what we need to do is take your NPN resistor and connect it anywhere you want. I am going to choose number 8 all the way to number 11, or actually number 13. There should be a gap between each pin. After connecting all three separately, take your resistor and connect it to the one on the right and fix it on to the positive terminal. After that, take your LED and connect the positive part to the NPN, and then take the negative part and put it into the middle. You can also put it the other way and it might be working also. After that, take your LDR and connect it between both of these terminals. After doing that, take one of the male-to-male jumper cables and keep one of them on the left side of the circuit or the NPN resistor and connect it to the negative terminal. After that, take another jumper cable, male-to-male, and connect it around here. Around here. After connecting it, put it over here. And take one of your male-to-male jumper cables and connect it here. And take the other one and connect it here. And connect it to the battery. Now let's see the result of our circuit. Now I am on in the circuit and the light is bright. But now when I am going to bring the light, it's gonna get dimmer. As you can see, the light around it has reduced and it has become dimmer. But when I bring my finger back and it's getting darker, it brightens up more. This is how the sensor is supposed to work. So I hope you can identify it and make this video a great one.